All right, let me take you through the protest that's happening in the parliament. Seems like the biggest flashpoint at this point is the Election Commission's special intensive revision drive. The SIR of Bihar's voter rolls has now become one of the biggest flashpoints in India. While the Supreme Court hears petitions challenging the SIR, opposition is staging the most unique protests. Today as well, we saw the opposition leaders who were in the parliament wearing unique T-shirts. If I can take you through some of those images there of the opposition leaders wearing T-shirts. In fact, what was actually embossed on those T-shirts was 124-year-old Minta Devi. That's what they say. 124 not out. Minta Devi. Basically, the Congress leaders and the opposition there collectively say that Minta Devi's name still exists in the draft electoral roll despite her having no existence as of today. So opposition decides to wear her T-shirts and says, this is what the SIR drive really is. You are carrying out a drive to weed out ineligible voters, but you have a 124-year-old Minta Devi whose name is still on the electoral roll. So here you have the opposition almost shaming the Election Commission by wearing those T-shirts and carrying out the symbolic protests. Now, this opposition protest has gone on for 15 straight days. Banners that the opposition held read, one of which, our vote, our right, our fight. Another banner that read, SIR is equal to silent, invisible rigging. These are, of course, this is the kind of narrative that the opposition has unleashed with regards to EC's drive. But the Supreme Court today, very interestingly, has been hearing keenly all the petitions that's been filed against the SIR. The Supreme Court says that this exercise carried out by the Election Commission is the need of the hour, and it seems like the opposition isn't believing in what the Election Commission is doing because there is a trust deficit and nothing else. More or less what the top court has noted. The top court says 7.9 crore voters, over 7.2 crore voters have responded to the SIR drive, and that itself establishes the fact that this drive was necessary and there's basically nothing to worry or fear of voters being cut off arbitrarily. If this is a fear, then that is only a trust deficit. In a way, it appears here that the top court has sided with the Election Commission and also, importantly, underscoring the EC's mandate that Aadhaar card and voter cards cannot be proof of citizenship, and that alone cannot have you eligible to vote. So the top court, Supreme Court, has also justified that, saying, well, yes, Aadhaar and your voter cards are not proof of citizenship, and therefore more has to be given to prove that you are an eligible voter in that area. Though EC also goes on to assure that no voters would be deleted, and this is exactly what the top court has also said, ensure that no voters' names are deleted. And if it happens, then you are going to be pulled up. This hearing is still on while I speak. Of course, the whole of today went on. The hearing has been adjourned, but the Parliament was rocked by these kind of protests. All sorts of protests with Rahul Gandhi leading it, calling this vote chori. The campaign now that he's launched in Delhi seemed to have faced a setback in the Congress's home state, Karnataka, where the Congress governs. Embarrassingly for the Congress, in Karnataka, their own minister, K.N. Rajanna, a Siddaramaiah loyalist, has basically suggested that while they were in power, they too were complicit. This is more or less what he said. Right in front of our eyes, voter theft has happened. This is what Rajanna said, saying that even in our time, this was going on. Listen in.
ಅವರು ಅಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ವೋಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು 100% ಸತ್ಯ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೇನು ಎರಡನೇ ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಲ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾದೇಪುರದಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಿಜ. ನಾವು ಅವರು ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಲ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನಿದ್ದು ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಈ ಒಂದು ಘಟನಾವಳಿಗಳನ್ನೇನು ನಡೆದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗಸೂಚಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ.
So basically, if I could translate, what Rajana says here is that yes, vote theft has happened. It's happened constantly. Even while the previous elections were conducted, vote theft happened. We as Congress party members knew that theft had happened, but we should have filed our objections back then. Now we are raising our objections. I'm not too sure if it will work. So basically raising doubts on his own leader and the man who's fronting this whole campaign, Rahul Gandhi. So for Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, this is certainly an embarrassment because he's a sitting cabinet minister who's now resigned. It almost appears that the Karnataka government pushed him out of the cabinet out of sheer anger because of what he said. Now, Rajanna's supporters also hit the streets demanding justice for Rajanna. Rajanna tried to take a U-turn, appeared to have shown his loyalty to Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, but that didn't seem to have really yielded much results for him. Now, that said, while the Congress is left firefighting this in Karnataka, you have another one jumping in the bandwagon. That's former Congress leader, Union Minister CM Ibrahim, who's now with the JDS. CM Ibrahim has placed a bombshell saying that he himself took a loan and paid to buy votes for Siddaramaiah in 2018 elections for his Badami seats because he was fearing that Siddaramaiah will lose. And as a true loyalist, CM Ibrahim paid money to buy votes to ensure Siddaramaiah wins. This is what he says. Now, the BJP has gone to town with it, taken a petition, filed it before the Election Commission over what CM Ibrahim has claimed. But Siddaramaiah calls these allegations as completely baseless.
ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಾರನೇ ದಿವಸ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇರವರೆ ಗುಲಾಂ ನಬಿ ಆಜಾದ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ. ನಾನು ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ 20,000. ಮಾದೇವಪ್ಪ ಔಟ್, ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾದಾಮಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೆಲ್ತಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ 10,000 ಲೀಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 1,000 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ, ಇಲ್ಲ 800,000 ನೀನು ಗೆಲ್ತಿಯ, ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Well, he says, I took loan to buy votes for Siddaramaiah. That's how confident he is. Well, this certainly isn't spelling well for the Congress party, who is putting up a real vociferous fight in the parliament against the SIR drive that's happening in Bihar. Rahul Gandhi's narrative of BJP EC collision and how they are trying to ensure that the BJP is benefited by rigging the voter rolls seems to be undercut by the same congressmen in the same Congress ruled state. So the whole vote chori that Congress has launched has backfired, at least in Karnataka. I'm going to take this to our panelists to give us a little more to discuss on how far will this bring results. Rahul Gandhi's campaign on the SIR drive that's happening in Bihar, which is almost complete. The Supreme Court, in a way, siding with the Election Commission. Karnataka Congress members speaking against what Rahul Gandhi is standing for. What's the conclusion to all of this? Let me bring in our panelists on board. If I could introduce, we have our BJP spokesperson right here. Thank you very much for joining us, sir. Surbhi Hodige, beg your pardon, Surbhi Hodigere, spokesperson of the BJP, joining us from Karnataka. We also have Satya Prakash, spokesperson KPCC Congress from Karnataka, joining us. Ramakrishna Upadhyay, senior journalist, joining us. Thank you very much. Apologies for that. Surbhi, your take on this, as we're looking at the Supreme Court hearing where it's in a way sided with the Election Commission on voter ID and Aadhaar not being the fit identity proof to show your citizenship. But at the same time, if any names are deleted arbitrarily, then the EC will be pulled up for it. So in a way, restoring confidence in the Election Commission and also saying this is nothing but trust deficit. If the opposition is raising questions, it's just trust deficit and nothing else. One should act in good stride.
Nabila, the house of cards on vote chori that the Congress is trying to build throughout India is falling flat on its face in Karnataka. What we have seen today is what we saw yesterday was the resignation. I can't even say resignation because that's not the right word. It was the unceremonious dismissal of an ST leader, KN Rajanna, the only tribal minister from Uttar Karnataka region, from the North Karnataka region, who has been unceremoniously dismissed. He has been dismissed, and somebody known to be a Siddaramaiah loyalist for not for anything else, but for merely asking a very, very legitimate question, which was, if you're making exactly were we not in
Surabhi, I suppose that your connection is slightly patchy, but in the
power?
meanwhile, while I get that fixed for you, let me quickly go into Satya Prakash. Satya Prakash, what an embarrassment. First of all, why has Rajana resigned? Has he resigned willingly or have you ousted him? If you could have some of the images of Rajana on screen, please.
See, Nabila, you need to understand any minister, whether he is in the cabinet or no, is the sole prerogative of the chief minister. Please understand this. Let us not have any confusion on this. What is Rahul Gandhi fighting about? Rahul Gandhi is fighting about BJP and Narendra Modi being a prime minister and a government in power by fraud. And how has this fraud happened? The fraud has happened, rightly you have mentioned.
Why didn't you do
Coalition
anything when the
between
fraud was
ECI.
right in front of your
You
eyes in
should not
2018
commit
elections?
between Nabila
When the
Ji.
fraud was right in
You
front
should
of your
not
eyes
become
in
the
2024
spokesperson.
Lok Sabha elections? Why didn't you do anything?
Nabila Ji, you should not become the spokesperson of the BJP. Please allow me to say.
Sir, I'm doing a better
And
job
as
than
you
you.
rightly said, and I am proud of Nabila today. You rightly said, coalition between ECI and Narendra Modi. Beautiful. Super.
No, I said this is
This
the
is what I
allegation.
say.
The coalition between EC and BJP allegation leveled by the
Thank
Congress
you.
does not seem to
Thank you so much.
have given any
Thank you
result
so
to you
much.
because even the Supreme
So,
Court is more aligned with what the EC is
thank
doing
you so much,
than with your
Nabila Ji, for
narrative.
speaking. Thank you so much for speaking the truth on News 9. It is the real coalition between Narendra Modi and GCI, and it's
Sir,
a murder of democracy, and I will tell you why. This is a fraud based on addition, like what has happened in Maharashtra. It is a fraud based on deletion, like what is happening in Bihar. And it is
why
a
did you
fraud.
not raise objections?
What
Why
is
were
happening
petitions
now
not
that I am
filed?
happy.
Why was adequate
I tell
protests
you
not
how.
launched? Why were protests not launched at that point? Is
If
this
you
not
come in
trying to
between now
benefit
the
ahead of
people of
Bihar
India,
election?
if you come in between the people of India will not understand Satya Prakash in the true spirit. Please allow me to have a free run on your show, and I will expose Modi and BJP in your show today.
Okay, I'll allow you to say what you want only if you answer one question of mine. I'm just asking you, why did Rajana quit? I'm just asking you, why did Rajana quit? Or have you fired
Nabila,
him?
not
You're
quit.
not
Why was
answering
he
my question,
out?
sir.
Why was he dismissed? Why was the senior leader dismissed so unceremoniously, though the Congress has a
That is
history
a
of doing that
prerogative
in
of the chief
Karnataka?
minister. The
Why is it
constitution
that you
says.
oust him
The
so why
constitution
is it that
says
the
any
Congress draws
minister
a red
says
line
and
with
declares
questioning
as a
Rahul
prerogative of
Gandhi?
the chief
Was it not
minister.
a legitimate
We
question?
don't want
Don't
to
go all
be
around the
putting
country,
as
speak Karnataka.
recommendation
Let
on
me
who
see you
should be in
answer
the cabinet.
Karnataka. No,
We
please let
don't
us
want
see
to
you
be
answer. Why
putting
did
as
you oust
recommendation
K.N.
on who
Rajanna?
should be in
Why
the
did you
Congress
oust the
cabinet.
only?
It is Chief
Please,
Minister
please.
Siddharamaya's
The
prerogative
ST
who will
community
stay
is
as a
out on the
cabinet
streets
minister
for
in
these
his
kind of
cabinet.
Okay,
betrayals.
you
It
know,
is
to
not
be
helping
honest,
you.
both of y'all speaking over the other is not going to help. At least what you have to say should be comprehensible to our viewers. None of it is
Please
we're
ask
able to
your question,
understand.
Nabila ji. Please ask
Sir,
your question, I'll answer.
just
Let,
one
let me come
question I
in.
have. Sir,
Nabila, let me
Ramakrishna
come
sir,
in
one
too,
moment. I have
before
one
truce.
question for the Congress spokesperson. Why has Rajana resigned? That's all I'm asking you. Has he been fired? Has he been ousted?
I'll tell
Or has he
you.
willingly resigned? What happened?
I'll tell you. On one side, Rahul ji is fighting the battle of democracy, belittling of democracy.
So on the other hand, Rajana saying the truth has
Democracy.
irked the Congress and therefore they've said, get out of the cabinet.
On one side, Rahul ji, Satya Prakash, Siddaramaiah ji, DK Shivkumar, all the 350 MPs, opposition MPs across India are fighting this. What are they fighting? They are fighting the fraud. Everyone knows what has happened.
And on the other hand, you
According
have
to-
Rajana
according to
who
section-
stated the
according
obvious,
to
which
sec-
is why the Congress got really angry.
See, I will tell you. According to section 23, everyone knows what is there in section 23.
No,
Within
but
30
Rajana
days, we have
stated
to-
only the obvious, no? Rajana
I'll
said
tell you.
when we were in power, there was vote theft happening then also. They should have taken action then. He stated
We
the
had-
obvious.
we-
He's not said any lie.
We had
He's not said anything
We
wrong.
had absolute confidence on Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India has become election fraud of India. We never
Sir,
knew
answer
that.
the
Okay.
question.
One
All right.
like that, When
you
it
know,
has become
Not
you're,
if your
you're
own
clearly
party
not
has
answering
been,
my one clear
Not
question
happened
I
in
asked you,
today.
but I'll
the
bring in
Election
our
Commission of India.
analyst here,
Today
our
we got
political
the
expert,
confidence
Mr.
of the Election
Ramakrishna.
Commission of India
Uh,
because Election
please go
Commission
ahead,
of India has
sir.
become
The
a big
Congress,
fraud.
I would
Satya
say,
Prakash,
was doing a great
give me a
job in
little
putting up
time. Satya
a
Prakash
good,
ji,
yeah,
can I also have a word, please?
go on.
Nabila, nice to see you. You know, I was thinking of Rajana's statements for the last few weeks. He had been talking about the September revolution, and I think the revolution has come a month earlier, and he has become the first victim of that. So probably he didn't expect things to turn out this way, and it's unfortunate that somebody who speaks the truth, is being shown the door. What did he say? He said it all happened under our own eyes. Okay, see, these electoral rolls which Rahul Gandhi is making a big issue of, Mahadevpura elections. You see, that election happened in May 2024. So the electoral rolls were prepared in 23. So the draft rolls came out in September 23, and then the final rolls came out in January 24. So which government was there? Siddaramaiah government. And election commission doesn't have its own manpower to do all this electoral rolls. It depends on the state election commission. And what does the state election commission do? They give it to the municipalities to do it. So in Mahadevpura's case, it is the BBMP officials who have done this. So this being the case, they should obviously own up as to what has happened in Mahadevpura instead of putting the blame on the Election Commission of India. So I think that is what Rajana was trying to say. Look, we were lax. We should have looked at these things, and we didn't do that. So for that, he had to pay a price. So I think this is what
Can I tell you?
the Congress spokesman is missing out on, and I can understand that Rajanna has been ousted because of the power struggle between Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar. So it is reaching a climax now. Now that Siddaramaiah is going to
Nabila
complete 2.5 years in a couple of months, and I think this is part of the drama between the two.
You know, I highly doubt that the
can
power
I
struggle,
answer
sir,
now?
between
Can I
Siddaramaiah and
answer?
DK has anything to do with Rajana's ouster. I think this is clearly
No, it's just part of it. It's part
poked
of
the
it. See,
man at the
Rajana has been
forefront. It's
Rajana
really, it's
has been a
poked the man at
loyalist.
the forefront, and that's Rahul Gandhi. Let's be clear about it. Let's not dilute this by saying
Yeah.
DK, Sidda
Nabila,
fighting has led to this. No. This is a cabinet minister questioning the man in authority, Rahul Gandhi, who is basically fronting this campaign, which Rahul did a
Obviously.
great job. He must ask questions as a leader of opposition. That's what we expect him to do. But it seems like within his own party, this dissent has proved
I will explain.
costly for him.
So,
Also at a time when the Supreme Court is hearing petitions. A quick word,
so how can
Surbi wanted to make a point. Sir, I'll come to you.
Yeah.
We'll have one guest speak at a time. I request you. Surbi, please.
Congress is unable to answer that question on why K.N. Rajana was sacked. They are going all over the country, but they can't handle Karnataka. With respect to Mahadevpura, there has been a very, very strong rebuttal coming in from former MLA Arvind Limbavali. This incident goes to show that whatever Rahul Gandhi is trying to do has fallen completely flat on its face in the state of Karnataka. It's not just K.N. Rajana, it's everybody on the street who is asking the same question. What is Rahul Gandhi up to? This is not sticking anywhere. If you're going against the ECI, why are you not giving an affidavit? The Supreme Court has pulled up on the same front. This messiah hero-ness that they're creating around Rahul Gandhi has lost them 89 elections. So really, think hard and strong. Instead of giving bali of your actual ground leaders and trying to prop up a Gandhi air for campaigns that really don't make sense at all, why don't you give the right kind of respect to your party leaders who come from communities that are marginalized? Where is your where is your social cause and everything when it comes to these sort of matters? This
Question
is
for
the
you.
sort of
I have a
politics.
question for you though.
Yes.
The BJP has basically petitioned the election commission based on what CM Ibrahim has said. CM Ibrahim has said we've taken, in a way, with your petition here, you seem to be, in fact, my question here is how does the BJP reconcile this, defending the EC at this point, while it's basically the same allegation that
If you watched Mr. Arvind Limbavali's entire press conference or anybody from the BJP who has spoken, We have acknowledged that the voter rolls are not clean, and that is precisely why a special intensive revision is something that we are backing. The ECI needs to take account of these issues and make sure that they are sorted. We have called Rahul Gandhi as the champion of the SIR at this point in time, because that is exactly what we are attempting to do. The voter rolls not being clean, especially in urban areas where there's high migration, is a known fact. Therefore, what Mr. Ibrahim has said, that is very concerning. That's not just about voter rolls not being clean. That is about buying votes. That is somebody coming out and saying that the chief minister who has been elected today with 136 seats.
So, but
has-
according to the Congress,
buying
what the
votes.
see, even the Congress is admitting clearly within their own party, they have admitted that there has been vote chori for long now. You're also saying we've acknowledged it, but now with this SIR drive that's happening in Bihar, you don't have a foolproof electoral roll there. Minta Devi, 124-year-old in the draft electoral roll, her name is present there when she doesn't exist. So that's the
not
question, right? That
definitely
you've
the
done,
baggage-
the EC has carried out such a Herculean
Many years
task,
is not going to be
yet
undone
with
in 1
errors.
week. This is why we're saying we need an intensive revision across the country.
But that's
We
also
need to
coming
work
with errors
quickly.
again.
And Minka Devi has come out and spoken against her face being on everybody's t-shirt, the fact that she's actually not 24 years old. There's a lot of confusion on who really is there on. We need this exercise to happen across the country. It is
Okay.
not a problem we're solving in 1 week or one election. We need to make sure that there is a foolproof method to do this. And SIR has shown the way to start. But yes, we need to keep doing this and ensure that we have
Okay,
clean
Satya
votes.
Prakash?
See, Nabila, we all need to understand one thing. चोरी तीन तीन तरफ से हो रहा है. एक डिलीशन है. कर्नाटक में जो हो रहा है डिलीशन भी नहीं है, एडिशन भी नहीं है, मैनिपुलेशन है. Now I want to bring, both my friends don't understand what has happened in 2023. In 2023, who is the custodian of electoral rolls? Is the ARO custodian of electoral rolls? Is an RO custodian of electoral rolls? No. The custodian of all electoral rolls is the Election Commission of India. The buck stops with Election Commission of India. If an ARO or an RO does anything,
What are you
you have to
asking for?
dismiss it.
But Satya Prakash, it's so confusing because on one
Well,
hand
you allow
you
me-
have
I mean,
admitted that there are false, fake voters.
you
On one
allow
hand, you have
Nabila-
admitted
How
that there
is
are
the
fake
BJP
voters.
involved?
On the other hand, you're saying
How
this
is the
SIR
BJP
is
involved?
rigged.
Whenever I speak, you have problem even with
No,
1
sir.
minute. You please allow me, no? You think I am fighting
Because
1
you are
against
trying
3.
to
Give me
defend
time.
the indefensible.
I expose all of them.
Did you say
I
one
expose all
against
of them.
three?
Give me time.
That is so unfair.
See,
Okay, I'll give you time.
In Karnataka, what has happened is there was an organization called Chilume. It is an RSS-based backed organization. That organization did all the hangama what has happened in 2023. Congress at that time raised an alarm that BBMP officials have used an RSS-backed organization to do this addition and deletion votes. This
Sir,
Chilume
addition and deletion of
RSS-backed
votes has
organization
happened
is
across party
responsible for
lines.
all the
Let's
fiasco
not
that
get
has
into
happened
the
today.
organizations or groups that
No,
have
please
worked for the
understand,
Congress.
it was an organization
Each party
who was
have their
headed
own
by a
shadow
guy who
army.
was close
Let's not
affiliation
get
with
into that
RSS.
dirty
And
discussion.
this organization
All
is
parties
handling
have their
those from
shadow
UPI.
armies. If the BJP has the RSS, we know what the Congress has. So let's
No,
cut that out. Let's cut that out. My only question is, Mr. Ramakrishna, a final word. I don't have endless time
You
here.
want
Final
me to
word,
be a
Mr.
news
Ramakrishna.
spectator?
When there is absolute proof that there is fake voters on the list, there are fake names, fake addresses. If this kind of fake names need to be weeded out, this exercise is necessary. Then what's the whole purpose? On one hand, Congress is acknowledging the double standards in the electoral roll, and on the other, they don't want this SIR drive to happen before Bihar elections. So it's a little confusing on where the Congress stands.
Nabila, I think the Election Commission has to realize that there is a problem with the electoral rolls across the country.
And
It's
they
not
have
just one
acknowledged
state or
it.
two. Everywhere there are issues. So they need to, really tackle it, in a very holistic manner. Because you find, in every state that there are thousands of people, dead people for 2-3 years, their names are still there, or people who have migrated from one place to the other and they have registered in multiple places and their names are found in 2-3 places. So all these are there, and it is up to the Election Commission to clean it up. So that is the exercise which has started with Bihar, and I hope it is done across the country. And I feel that they should use the census that is coming up. During that time, anyway, house to house survey will be done.
Yeah.
So you make sure that your enumeration forms are sent along with the the census people, so that the whole exercise also meaningfully helps the election commission. I feel that is one way of cleaning up the the system.
Okay,
It is
so
water.
you're
It is
saying that
water
this is a
across the
legitimate
country.
exercise. The Supreme Court is saying this is a legitimate exercise. Satya Prakash,
I
what more do
accept
you
what
want?
Mr. Upadhyay, I salute Upadhyay. Very good.
May
This is what exactly Rahul Gandhi is saying. One man, one vote is the principle that Constitution has laid. But today,
Who is
one
saying
vote,
anything
multiple votes.
different?
One man,
Who is
multiple
saying
votes
anything
is how
different?
one has won.
You get your argument in
Modi
order.
has
Do you want
won
an
the
SIR
system to
or
clean up
not?
by fraud.
You want an SIR to clean
BJP
up
has
the
won the
electoral
corruption
roll
by
or not?
fraud.
What is
What
your
are
Satya
you
argument
Prakash,
here?
let's be
Please
honest,
get
our
your
election
argument
commission
here.
will have the same people doing the exercise today or tomorrow. The EC chief
Nabila
might
ji,
change, but exercise will
if
remain the
any
same, no?
employee of the state government is involved in this fraud, we have to sack him. However big he is, even if he is an IAS officer, sack him. Because no individual can play with the electoral rules of this country.
So
This
today
is a
we
public
heard
Your
even
accusation has
Mamata
been made against
Banerjee,
your
your
chief
same
minister.
opposition
The fact that
ally,
your chief minister
Mamata
has, our
Banerjee
chief minister has
refused to
done
sack
that.
her officers who were involved in some kind of voter
The
rigging.
chief minister has, there's an allegation against the chief minister right now. Are
Modi
you
has
saying that
become the
sack him
prime minister by
also?
fraud, and he
What
cannot
about
allow
you
to
are talking
Modi
about
to become the prime
2023
minister by
rolls not
fraud.
being clean? You have 136
You
seats. Are you
cannot
going to give
have
up power
democracy
now?
at risk
You
today.
won in a fraudulent
Election
way. Is that
Commission
what
is a
you're
puppet in
accepting?
the hands of
Is that what you're
Modi.
accepting? You have,
How
there is
can
zero
we
I
clarity.
still
allow
haven't been able to
electoral fraud in
Precisely
a
understand.
zero
democracy?
clarity.
Okay,
Suresh
I
Ji,
still haven't been
how
able to
can we allow
understand. Do you
electoral
want
fraud
the
in a
SIR
democracy?
drive or you don't want the SIR drive?
They don't know, Nabila. They
No,
don't
let
know.
Satya Prakash respond.
Pardon?
Sir, you want
SIR
the
drive is
SIR drive,
different.
you don't want
SIR
the.
drive is you are deleting the votes. What has happened in Karnataka is manipulation. Please understand. What has
Please
happened in
explain to
Maharashtra
us.
is
So we have given
addition.
a point by point
SIR
rebuttal
is
of exactly
deletion.
what you
Please
made an
understand.
allegation on. Go
SIR is
file an affidavit.
deletion.
Go file an affidavit.
SIR
What
In
is
in
stopping you from
deletion of
filing
Telangana,
an
votes.
in
What
affidavit?
has
Telangana
happened
under
in
Congress,
Karnataka is
Go file an
manipulation of
in
affidavit.
votes.
Telangana
What
under
has
We
happened
have
in
Congress, the
alleged the
Maharashtra
same
is
voters
way. We have
anti-caste
voters'
multiple
votes.
names were
opinions.
That's why
deleted
he
there
has become the
also.
prime
At that
minister
time,
by
there
Go
was no
file
fraud.
an
hue
This is
and
what
cry
is
affidavit.
by
Go
the
to
happening
court.
Congress.
today.
You don't have the guts to do any of that.
This
You're
is
just
the
crying
truth.
foul.
Mr.
Election
Satya
Go do
Prakash,
it.
Commission
okay,
Say
allow
to
me to
us.
ask
is
Satya
standing into
Prakash. In Telangana under
the
Congress government, voters' names were deleted before elections.
If any was deleted, who deleted? Did Congress government delete it?
No,
Is the
under
election
EC
commission
only,
again
it
who
was
has
the same
deleted it?
EC drive, but we didn't see this
Election
kind of
commission
vehement
has deleted
protests
it.
by you.
You have, this
Please,
is,
what
the
I'm telling
entire
Nabila
country
ji,
is
ask
seeing
her
this
to keep quiet
drama
for a minute.
unfold
We will go
and
one by one.
realizing
Okay.
Congress
Shruti,
has zero game
Shruti ji,
plan.
we will speak one by
Zero.
one.
You don't
Shruti,
want to build
we will speak one
institutions.
by
You want to
one.
break institutions.
Let
You don't want to
people
be
of this
productive.
All
country
You
right.
only
get to
want
know
to
what the
create
As,
kind of
as
drama.
I'm
voters
short
You
on
do
today
not
time,
want to
I'll
do
end with
any
Mr.
good thing for the
Ramakrishna.
country. You only
Mr.
want to
Ramakrishna,
divide country. That's
I
what it is.
really appreciate the opposition showing so much commitment towards the people and towards voters' names who may be deleted. Election Commission is doing their drive, but Congress and other opposition parties saying it's a deliberate attempt to delete out voters that aren't in favor of the BJP. Now, great that the opposition is standing up, speaking up for them. If there are cases like that, how better can they actually ensure this process by the election commission is seamless? Now, you can't go against a constitutional body. As an opposition, you have to
Absolutely.
stand with the EC. You have to ensure you work with the EC and make this process seamless for those who are struggling to have their names on the list. Carry out drives,
But why is
campaigns,
EC
where you
asking
help
Rahul
these
Gandhi to
people
go
who
into
are
the vote?
hapless to actually get their
Why can't
registration
EC
done
do its job?
seamlessly. Help them with documents, help them. If you are
That
able
is
to
what the
identify
party
legitimate
is.
people who've lost out on the electoral roll, carry out campaigns. Do that instead of
Nabila,
protests
I
that
want to
seem
ask you a
very
question.
misplaced.
Nabila, I want to
And
ask you a
how
So
much
question.
I
money
think
I want to ask you a
let
question.
me have a
On
word,
the national
Satya
TV,
Prakash. I think
why
she's asked
is
me the
election
question.
commission asking Rahul Gandhi to go on vote? Because Article Section 20 bar 3 clearly says once the 30-day period is over, even if we give a complaint to EC, the EC can just ignore because 30 days is over, and they have not
Give
given
the complaint
But,
digitally readable
but
first.
you know,
copies.
y'all would have
Give
had a
the
more solid
complaint
point
first.
had y'all complained in the first place. When it happened back then, y'all didn't complain. Now y'all are raising a hue and cry. So, obviously
See, problem,
timing
Nabila.
is a question, but nonetheless, a final word from Mr. Ramakrishna.
We have gone to
Nabila, I
court
think
in
every
24 months.
political party should cooperate with the election commission, because election commission did not come after the BJP came to power. Okay, it's been in existence for since the elections are being held in this country. So every political party has to help the election commission clean up the system. See, everybody knows that the fake voters are there on the voters list. Not everybody might be voting, but there are multiple names which shouldn't be there. So there has to be a system where you clean it up. So that is not happening. And I think one of the things can be, look, there are so many dead people. Every municipality
No,
and
no,
every
no.
panchayat
That
keeps the list of
aspect, that
what
aspect is
keeps.
ascertained. That's
Now, let me
that
just
part
finish.
is that part is
Let me just
confirmed,
finish
sir.
this
What,
point, madam.
sir?
Let me
The
just finish
only
this point.
doubt
Nabila
that the
ji, whose
opposition
job is it
has
to
is
clean the
that
electoral rolls?
there are
Whose job is it to
voters
clean the electoral
who
rolls?
are
Is
in
it
favor
Congress
of the
job?
opposition who are being deleted, and they're deliberately being deleted. It's basically
No, the
targeting of
point I'm
voters who are
making
not in their
is
favor.
the point I'm making is every panchayat and every municipality has the list of dead people, that is birth and death or registered. So why don't you use that data to clean up the electoral rolls? That is one of the ways of ensuring that there are no people who are not the voters at all.
Okay.
So that's how the election commission has to keep
Fair point. This is
cleaning
actually
up
a
the
very
system.
good case of
That's
better
not happening.
administration. This is
Surabhi?
definitely something
Nabila
that
ji,
can be done. I just
who
want to say
is
with respect to the FIR,
responsible
if
to
the
give a
opposition is so
clean voter
concerned
list to the
about
people
deletion,
of this
where
country? Who is
the claims that have
responsible
been
to
filed?
give a
Filed? How
genuine
many
voter
claims
list to
have
this
been filed?
country? Who is
Go with your
responsible?
cadre, go to people who have been wrongly deleted, work with them. There is time. Why are you coming and just doing drama without actually doing something good?
All right.
Where are the
What
claims
what
that
will
have been
what will the
filed?
election
This is
commission of
not
India do? Sleep? What is the
instead
duty
of
of
standing
election
in
commission of
printing
India to
research.
sleep? It
Instead
is
of
the
one
duty
second,
of
sir.
election
I know you
commission of
like
India to
going
give
against the
Okay,
election commission. That's why
can
Indira
can
Gandhi
no
told
can
you
can you
drama
for a
strategy.
moment
Do
allow
some
Satya
work.
Prakash
Do
to
some
give his
work.
last
Don't do
word?
drama. Do
Satya
some work.
Prakash, I'll give you that last word. What
Yeah,
exactly do
thank
you
you.
want from the EC now?
Whose job is it
No,
to
no,
give
don't
a
quit. I'm
clean
asking you
voter
what you want from the EC,
rolls
Satya
in this
Prakash.
country?
I'm asking you what do you want from the EC?
See, what we want from an EC is stick on to the principle of one man, one vote. Remove this one man, multiple votes in favor of Modi. That's exactly what we're asking.
Okay,
Wrong.
but
Disinformation,
on the contrary,
disinformation.
EC
There are
says that's
multiple votes
exactly
that
what
are
they're
there in
doing.
Varuna
Anyway,
constituency. In
end of the
Varuna,
matter
there
here.
is
The
Siddaramaiah is
Supreme
voting
Court
for
has
it.
also said it seems like a
You are
trust
disinformation.
deficit.
This is very
You need to
disinformation.
work on that.
You are
You need to
creating
start trusting
chaos
the
in the
election
country. That is
commission
what you
a
are
little
attempting
more.
to do.
Okay,
Now,
Satya
how
Prakash,
can we trust
we are
the
going to
election
follow what the
commission
Supreme Court is
when
hearing.
Mr. Modi?
Varuna,
We can
Nabila,
scream,
Varuna
debate,
constituency.
shout
What
as
you
much
are
as we
questioning
like.
about that?
The petition is in the top court. What the court says ultimately will prevail. Satya Prakash, thank you. I'm sorry I have no time. Surabhi and Mr. Ramakrishna, I really appreciate you.